Bafowethu, angazifiki kanjani lapha? Angazifiki kanjani lapha? This is very painful. Thema ngithi ngiyayibheka nje ngabona ukuthi this is very painful guys. For iphathi efana ne-EFF iluze imember efana no-Floyd Shivambu. That was very painful and I don't wish iphathi efana ne-EFF. I don't wish iphathi efana ne-MK ukuthi ithi go through that pain because that is painful kwiphathi ukuthi kuhambe abantu abafana no-Floyd Shivambu. Uma ubheka i-EFF guys, ilwile kakhulu bafowethu i-EFF ngale ndlela lena ubona ukuthi sekuyabheda amaphathi ebesithembile kuwona asedayisa ngathi i-EFF ilwile bafowethu ngendlela elwe ngayo. Of course ayikho iphathi engenawo ama-mistakes awo, kodwa khona lama mistakes owabonayo ukuthi ama mistakes kodwa esingaphila ngaphansi kwawo siwalungise ngendlela. Ngiyayibona loo nto leyo. So ilwile kakhulu i-EFF ukuyibona going through this akukuhle kumina. If ngibuka umuntu onjengo Julius Malema, that guy was heartbroken and nje he is emotionally broken. Uma ubheka ekhuluma laphana ukushiya kaShivambu iyojoyina i-MK imlimazile kakhulu le nto leyana, imlimazile kakhulu. Uze wayichaza ngepain ayifila mhla elahlekelwa uma wakhe. So kubantu abanjalo abanjengabo o-Floyd abanjengabo oMalema ekade bebhizi belwa and uma ubheka i-combination yabo ngendlela ekade be-fighter ngakhona, ukwenzeka kwale nto lena guys, angifuni ukuqamba amanga, mina akungithokozisi. Right, of course ngiyayithanda i-MK party and uFloyd uwumuntu osmart ngale ndlela, uhlakaniphile and educated and now uzojoyina i-MK party, so of which it is again nakhona kwi-MK. But bengifisa engazuthi singabona lamaqembu lawa afana nabo EFF afana nabo MK ekhula kunokuthi sibone izinto ey'kanjena, sifitness izinto ey'kanjena. Isifiso sami bekuwuthi siwabone ekhula noma in future sekwenzeka izinto noma kuthiwa kuyakompyutha ama-political parties, kodwa kube ama-political parties esiwazi ukuthi alwela umuntu omnyama, akuwona lawa asitregela laphana koNgcibankulu, asithatha asibambe ngengalo asisa koNgcibankulu. So ukulimala kweqembu elilodwa nje of this kind kumina angifuna uqamba amanga, kuyaye kube kumbi kakhulu because ekugcineni i-strength esiyogcina sesitholwa yibo impela laba abasisa laphana abasidonsa ngengalo, abasisa lapha esingafuni khona. Bafowethu, kumina akuzona indaba ezimnandi, even though uShivambu yojoyina i-EFF, I mean i-MK, ngoba nakhona kadukile kwi-MK, usendaweni e-right, uzosebenzisa i-experience yakhe e-right, nakhona ku-right khona, kodwa at the same time on the side of i-EFF angifuni uqamba amanga, kungiphathe kambi nami because ngiyafisa ukubona i-EFF nayo iba strong, ne-MK futhi ibe strong, lawo ma-opposition parties abe strong. Yo, kunzima bafethu.